You are going to learn one of the main features of a story, the setting. In the past, nearly everyone lived near a wood or a forest. So early stories were set in woods and forests because this was the only place people went to. Imagine it is hundreds of years ago. People lived in simple wooden cottages. There were no books with stories, no television, or no electricity. In the evening, families would gather round the fire to eat. They would tell each other stories that would pass the time. Wolves lived in the woods at that time and they were very dangerous. Children needed to know that it wasn't safe to go into the woods. The best way to teach children this message was in a story. Red Riding Hood would have been a story that was told at this time. The story had a message for children. It told them not to go into the woods alone. You have learnt that traditional stories are from a long time ago and were often set in woods or forests.